Good morning from our villa in Florida. Today we're having a lazy day by the pool.
Yeah.
However, where are we going for breakfast?
iHop.
iHop, yeah. Because someone's been wanting to go for, how long have you wanted? Mentioned about a year. We've been saying about you want to go there for. So we're going to go and get some pancakes or something like that. And then probably spend most of the day by the pool, I think.
And chillaxing.
Chillaxing, that's the one. But I'll show you the pool this morning. I'll just spin you around because looking good. It's already in the low 80s, I think. It's very warm.
Yeah, but
Very nice
yesterday
day.
it was like 90 degrees.
You were?
Yesterday it was like 90 degrees.
It was very warm yesterday, wasn't it?
Yep.
Well, hopefully you'll be that warm today, but maybe a little bit, I don't know, maybe a little bit less humid. We'll have to see. So it was very sweaty yesterday, very warm day.
Yeah.
But this is our view from the poolside this morning.
And it was so sweaty that I was going to melt.
You're going to melt?
Yep.
Oh my goodness.
Like when we went to Pesach.
So we'll update you once we get to iHop. We have arrived, literally the next stop on the right hand side after our estate. It's ridiculously easy to get here.
Okay guys, we're at iHop. And we're gonna go on iHop and get some breakfast. So let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, we're in iHop. Come through this way. We're gonna get our table. And then there's Travis. And then there's Cody.
I think we'll just stay here. Is that alright? Yeah. Yes. He's already arrived. 10-15 minutes.
There's Mama. And Mama. Say hi. Hi. And what you're gonna have for breakfast? What pancake? Food. I said what pancake? It's not, they don't just sell pancakes, you know. I know. I'm just saying if you wanted a pancake, which one would you have? Which one? Would you have a chocolate mousse one? Cupcake one? A birthday cake? A cupcake one? Or red velvet? A cupcake? Yeah. Right. What are you getting? You got that?
Where's all the batteries on recording
And then after, we're gonna go on the tour.
This one's got the chicken and biscuit, but I can't see it, Sham's in the way. That looks lovely, that, like.
Lovely.
Is that your eggs on the other side over there? And then Nicola's got... What do you get, Nicola? Which type of pancake? Cupcake? Cupcake pancakes. Madison's got a silver 5. So 5 pancakes, bacon and eggs. Travis has got a 2x2x2, 2 pancakes, 2 sausages, 2 eggs. Cody's got a smiley face pancake. Ed's got, what have you got? A silver surfer. What was yours?
Old man's breakfast.
Old man's breakfast, yeah. I've got a chicken fajita omelette. Next one. We're about to absolutely knack these in because we're all starving. So 2 by
Mads,
2
what
by
is that?
2, 2 pancakes, 2 sausages, 2 eggs.
A silver 5, there's 5 pancakes, eggs and bacon.
Pancake.
You're
Have
excellent.
you got a silver surfer? What was yours?
All man's breakfast.
Old man's breakfast, yeah. Chicken fajita. Omelette. Good.
Here's the set of hash browns.
Oh, thank you very much.
You're welcome. I'll be back with another 6 for you.
Nice, isn't it?
Hot. Let me cool it down a second. Breakfast.
You really don't.
Enjoy it.
Yeah.
Good.
Hey Nick, I do come back.
How was your breakfast, Trav? How was your breakfast? How was your breakfast? Good. Everyone's doing really well.
And I got some of Mum's.
Was it accident? Oh, that's why. I'm going to get there. I don't understand this Friday, isn't it?
So we're now looking at Leslie's pool supplies, which is just over the road from the iHop. See what pool toys they're having, if any. Looks like they've got quite a few different types from the outside. We've seen the massive emoji one, Madison.
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought you'd have seen that one. Oh yeah. Spider-Man one over here. Oh, walking past the car. So we've got a new rubber ring for the pool. We'll have a pool day today. I'll go on the other side. The iHop was absolutely lovely. I'd recommend going there. It was really good on Highway 27.
I've never seen anybody run backwards like that before. Up to page 10.
Hello.
Hello? Don't do any more then. Travis.
That's a video picture.
I know.
We're gonna go on a pool in a minute after Dad pumps the ring off. I'm all ready, I'm wet.
Yeah.
So I'm getting that pool in a minute.
No, that's not goggles.
Yeah.
No, you can't buy them. Too small. I was talking to Cody. I was saying, just don't record at me. Cody, you want to put my Daddy. No, thank you. Oh, that's just up to open. You do it now. Okay. There's Cody. Look at me.
Don't put it right up in people's faces.
Hey?
My first time, Kim.
Yeah, man. We're just chilling out by the pool now. Suntan lotion on. Sun beating down. Well, careful.
Give me again. I'm going to take Mommy. Alright, go on then. Hey! Hi! Not just chocolate. The chocolate over there.
How much are you enjoying the pool then, Trav?
What?
How much are you enjoying the pool?
A lot.
I love going in the pool.
And stuff.
Oh dear. She's good, she's good.
Mommy, look at this.
Oh, you almost put your face under there.
Yep, I don't like doing it. I don't do it.
So it's about 7 o'clock at night now. We've had a really relaxing day. Are you wearing your shorts on your head?
I know I was.
Divvy. We've had a really relaxing day today, so we've been playing the pool a lot, haven't we?
Yeah.
We've had some games of pool in the games room. We've watched some telly. We've just had our tea. What did you use that for your tea?
Pizza.
Pizza, a massive pizza from Walmart.
We had it all.
You ate it all?
Yeah, but we are going to have some pudding after we went in the pool.
Yeah, so we're going to go in the pool for a little while, in about 20 minutes or so. And then we're going to... What are you doing? Just pausing. Pause your pants, aren't you? Who's the camera, you, don't you?
No.
Sitting there. Silly ass. There you go, dafty. So we're going to go back in the pool. Tomorrow, me and Nicola, it is our 12-year anniversary, so Nana and Grandad have bought us a hotel room near Disney Springs. So we've got our date night. I'm not sure what you lot are doing. I think you're probably gonna be in the pool, I'd imagine.
Yeah, I think we're probably going to be flops all night.
Probably jumping in the pool, maybe. So, hey, yeah, you can come out, yeah.
Yep.
Just recording an update now. It's been an absolutely beautiful day today, hasn't it?
Like
Weather.
every day.
Yeah, every day with Suits for Beanie has been absolutely lovely.
Why are you even putting shorts on your head? Show the camera.
Look at this kid.
He used
This
to
is
be
normal
crazy like
behaviour.
this when he was little.
You've missed this. Oh, look, if you just stick them, put them on your head, look, and then just shove that over there like that.
Cordina.
And I got this from
Hi, Cordina.
a vape shop down in National Drive. It's a root beer flavoured
Look at
e-liquid.
Look at him.
called Roots, which I'm vaping at the minute, which is lovely.
Look at him, Dad.
So we'll be probably maybe recording the GoPro if light permits, but I think it's getting a bit dark now, so this will be our last update for today. So we'll be back tomorrow.
Wait, he put his head in the leg hole.